Can you believe it? It's week number 10. You know, you're here. Congratulations. You've got just a couple of more hurdles to do, and then you're out of here for this building business leaders class. So let's quickly talk about what you have to do, and I'll keep this video focused and short. So you've got, of course, you have some readings to do. You also have a couple of videos if you want to watch those. I strongly encourage you to watch them. There's also a short paper, so a reflection paper back to the CSR model that you did in week 1. So you can tell me, just keep it short. What do you think about these concepts? What do you think about triple bottom line? Focusing on customers, focusing on employees, and kind of putting profits on the back burner, because profits should be should be an after effect, if you will, that should come if you're doing the right things in other areas. So it's a little different. I think with this class, you can see a little different thinking philosophy than has been in the business world from before. So take your time. Just follow the instructions. Follow the rubric. Let me know if you have any questions. You also have a video check-in. So your last time to connect, you can tell me how much you love the course and all that sort of thing. But please make sure you do that and get those points that you need there. You also have your building, your certificate, which is basically the Excel course. Keep in mind how the Excel course works is you complete a couple of modules in this course, you complete a couple of modules in the next course, it builds. So when you open it up, you'll see several modules. For this course, you only have to do 1 and 2. You have to do the welcome and the intro. Really easy. If you choose to work ahead, that's great. Advice from Tony, save that screen print, because if something technologically goes wrong and they say, well, you didn't do the whole thing, you can go, yeah, I did. Right here's the proof. So if you choose to work and go ahead, because some of the later chapters are really good, kind of helps build some Excel skills. Just make sure you copy and paste that you completed and kind of file that away if you ever need it. And other than that, I think that's it. As soon as you get your work completed, go ahead and get it turned in. What I'll do is I'll try to work through grading week 9, and then as you turn stuff in week 10, I'll go ahead and get the grades kind of wrapped up right away for that. That way you're aware of what your final score is. I'll also post an announcement once I get everything scored for you to go out and look at your grade. Then I usually give you, 1 day, maybe 2, depending on what day everybody gets everything turned in, for you to take a look at it and let me know if you have any discrepancies. Because once I turn your grade in, it's kind of one of those, I'm not saying it can't be changed, but if I have to go back and change it for any reason, it's a lot of paperwork and a lot of discussion. So that's why I like to give you the opportunity to say, yeah, that seems right to me. And then we can go forward from there. So I'll also do a farewell video. So if I don't get to speak with each of you, it's been great having you in the course. As always, let me know if you need anything. I'll be traveling again at the end of this week. I have to go to San Antonio to have a meeting with a bunch of my accounting friends. Accountants, their safety in numbers, so we kind of like to get together and do, check our abacuses and, all that sort of stuff. So it's one of those professional meetings I have to attend. And then the following week, next week, I'm involved in some labor negotiations with one of our factories that's actually sits down between Austin and San Antonio. It's called the town's called San Marcos. So I'll be there doing the labor negotiations for that factory. So if you need me, the best way to reach me is text message. You can call me, of course, email me, and I'll try to get back with you as soon as possible. Otherwise, have a fantastic week, and it's been really great having you here. Cheers.